Good day and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Today we have another special video for you with another special knife. As you can see over here, we have a 28, no not 28, excuse me, 23 centimeter 9-inch Beltrame Stiletto Switchblade in black acrylic scales, but this one is brass liners. This one is a Kris blade. This is an older Beltrame, I think like 20 years old maybe. 9-inch. Get some nines on the channel, you know. Interesting story with this knife. Let's fire up. Ooh, there we go. So the old Beltrame's sear pinholes weren't rolled through completely, but the newer ones are. Okay, let's have a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful brass liners. So this is an older Frankie B. This one I purchased off Facebook, off a deal on one of the Facebook forums. It was actually my first Facebook purchase ever from a guy in Belgium. It was scary. I used PayPal, but it was scary because it took so long to get to me, because South African posters, the swallowest MFs in the world. So yeah, but it eventually came and couldn't be happy. My first Kris blade, I had to get it when I saw it. And I knew if the guy's from Europe, he's not going to have a problem shipping to South Africa. There's a lot of guys in the States, they don't like shipping. I have lots of customers in the States. Actually, all my customers are in the States. Ship to them all the time. No problems. So yeah, let's have a look at this one. Beautiful knife, acrylic scales, thinner back spring back in the day, brass liners, 440C stainless steel. Just a gangster piece, man. Just a fucking gangster. Snub nose motherfucker. Bam. Look at that. I love this one. Another piece in my collection that I love. Older Frankie P, and it's so light because like the spring is so thin. Kris blade, I love Kris blades. They're just on another level. And to have them as a Stiletto Switchblade, you know what time it is. Gotta keep on rolling, baby. So yeah, thanks for joining Switchblade Wade on another magical video here with some magical knives. Italian stilettos, gotta love them if you love them. Some deadly pieces, stuff off. It's only made for one thing. Beautiful. Let's fire this one up again. Swivel. It's probably made like, oh, I don't even know, 90s, 80s. Might have been older than that. Great condition. Just great, fantastic. Black Kris, 9-inch. Just so gangster. I love it. Gotta love you, Kris blade. So thank you for joining Switchblade Wade in another video. Gonna have some more amazing switchblades on the channel. Also, don't forget to visit our web store, link in bio and description. So check out our more affordable switchblades there. We got swing guards, Kris swing guards. We got 9 inches, different colors, so much colors, 45 each, 13-inch stiletto switchblades, lots of colors. Got stag levers, we got Damascus levers, we got dagger levers, we got OTFs, carambered OTFs, stiletto OTFs, we got watches, we got stilettos, we got swing guards, Damascus, snakewood. We got a lot of shit there, so go check it out. Fast shipping to the United States. Check out our watches also, man, you might like something there. Let's give it one more fire before we go. Look at this, oh, so fucking great. I love Frank Beltrame's stilettos. I was so bummed when Siri told me they're only making 9-inch pick locks. I think it was this year. I was like, no, how can you only make 9-inch? I want a fucking 11-inch pick lock, Frank Beltrame. But here we go. Oh yeah. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Thank you guys for joining us again. Go visit our website and have a great day, my flicky friends. Peace.